Hi, I'm Bratton, the salmon of knowledge. In Nova Scotia, May is Mìos nan Gàidheal, the month of the Gaels. No, not like the month of the winds, different Gaels. Nova Scotia Gaels are an ethno-cultural group, a settler people living in Mi'kma'ki. They are people who speak, or spoke, the Gaelic language. So what's Gaelic? Well, it's a group of languages first spoken in Scotland, Ireland, and the Isle of Man. In the 17 and 1800s, many people from the Highlands of Scotland came to Nova Scotia. The Gaels settled throughout northern Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. At one point, there may have been as many as 100,000 Gaelic speakers in Nova Scotia. Today, 1/3 of Nova Scotians have Gaelic heritage, and you can easily see Gaelic culture throughout the province. Next time you're having a céilí, a visit, and somebody brings out a fiddle, you can thank the Gaels. It's Mìos nan Gàidheal, and it's a great time to learn more about Nova Scotia's Gaelic history and culture. Knowledge is great, but I've always wanted to step dance.